Let's learn le pronom COD. It has only one use. Okay. Remplace un objet direct, complément direct or objet direct. It is called COD because it replaces objet direct, complément d'objet direct. What is an objet direct? It is an object as in complément part of the sentence, sans préposition. Okay, without a preposition, no preposition. Neither à, nor de, nor avec, nor pour, nor à côté de, nothing. Okay. So, see. Exemple. Tu as lu le livre? You read the book? No. Je n'ai pas encore lu le livre. Je vais lire le livre demain. Or, let's keep it simple. Non, pas encore, not yet. Je vais le lire demain. Je vais lire le livre demain. Okay. So, what is the repetition here? Livre. Yes. Does it have a preposition before it? No, it's just an article. It's a determinant. So I'll use pronom COD, not any other pronoun. I'll use pronom COD. How? Let's see. I want to replace it. So I have to use pronom COD. But we have a list of pronom COD. It's not like O and Y. I directly put O or I directly put E. No. Okay, we have a list. Okay. Me, te, le, la or l'apostrophe, nous, vous, and les. But we'll focus on these first, okay, for third person. Here, obviously, it's an object, so it's the third person. Le livre, it is singular and masculine. So for masculine singulier, obviously, we'll use this one, okay, and we'll place it before the verb. So we'll remove the repetition and we'll place it before the verb. Okay. How to place it correctly before which verb? We'll cover that later on. But for now, you should know that it is replaced by pronom COD. Okay. And in this case, it's le. Okay. So, let's take one more example. Tu as regardé cette série? Oui. J'ai regardé cette série hier. Okay. So, what is being repeated here? Série. Okay. And obviously, we'll replace it with its determinant. Set is a determinant, not a preposition. So there is no preposition before it. It's a direct object. So we'll replace it with pronom COD. Okay. So how? Let's see. Obviously, we'll remove this. This is the repetition. And which pronoun do we use? Obviously, it's third person singular, but femina. So we'll use la, right? Before the verb la. Yes, that's correct. But there is this problem, two vowels coming together. So we cannot put la directly. We'll change it to L apostrophe. So ultimately we'll use this L apostrophe. Okay. Yes. Okay. It even if it's about film. Okay. Tu as regardé ce film? Oui, j'ai regardé ce film hier. Okay. So in this case, we use le, right? Because film is masculine. But again, the same problem, two vowels coming together. Okay. So we'll again change this to L apostrophe. Oui, je l'ai regardé hier. That's pronom COD. Okay. So did you read the book? No, not yet. I'll read it tomorrow. I'm going to read it tomorrow. You watched this movie? Yes, I watched it yesterday. Okay, so that's pronunciado, and we can verify if it's pronunciado by asking a question. Quoi or qui? Okay, basically it can replace anything, not only a thing. In person, right? Une chose, un objet, or un lieu, anything. It should just be direct without a preposition. Okay, so how can we verify? See, verify this sentence. Je vais lire quoi? Le livre. J'ai regardé quoi? Ce film. Okay, then j'ai aidé ma mère. Okay, I helped my mother. J'ai aidé qui? Ma mère. So this is direct. So we'll use pronos COD here also. Okay. Je l'ai aidé. Okay. Yes. C'est pronos COD. Now we saw le, la, l'apostrophe and les. What about me, te, nous, and vous? For that, let's take direct examples. There, we don't need repetition. Okay. Even without that, without repetition, we have to use these pronoun only. For example, she knows me. We don't write elle connaît moi. No, that's not correct or natural. We directly put a pronoun. Okay. Obviously, this is COD. Okay. So we'll, because it's direct. Okay. She knows who, qui, moi. So we use pronoun. Which pronoun? For me, it will be ma, obviously. So we'll remove this elle me connaît. This is the only correct answer. Okay. Then next example, they in they always invite us to parties. Okay, so ils invitent who, qui, us. So what is us here? Nous. So we'll put nous. Okay, they always invite us to the parties. Okay, so we cannot say ils invitent nous toujours au fait or ils invitent toujours nous au fait. No. Okay, the place of these pronouns is here. Okay, before the verb. So if you translate from English, don't get mistaken. We never put it after the verb. Okay, moi or nous, no. Okay, whether there's a repetition or not doesn't matter here. Okay, we have to put them directly here. Okay, she knows me. They invited us. Okay, those me, us, you, they will be placed directly before the verb. Remember this. We'll take two more examples. Okay. Bob respects you a lot. Okay. Bob respects you a lot. So after the verb, we have you. Okay. Respect. Okay. Bob respects you. So we'll not put it over here. We'll put it before the verb. Okay, Bob vous respecte beaucoup. Okay, so it is also COD. Bob respecte qui? Vous. Okay, so COD, we'll put it before. Okay, so in these cases, we don't put these nous, vous, me, the after the verb. It's before the verb directly. The last example we can take, yes, your neighbors help you. Okay, your neighbors help you. I'm asking a friend. So, tes voisins help you? No, not correct. Okay, what do we do? Help you. So, we'll directly put the. It's informal, so we'll use the, but two vowels coming together, so it will become te apostrophe. Okay, your neighbors help you. Tes voisins t'aident. That's how it is. That's how we use me, te, nous, and vous. Okay, whether you translate or not, this is how you have to put them. Okay. Yes, so here we can ask the question, elle connaît qui? Elle me connaît. Ils invitent qui? Nous. Bob respecte qui? Vous. Tes voisins aident qui? Te. Okay, so these are pronoms COD. Ok, voilà, c'est tout pour pronoms COD.